Tell my lords, sir.
Monday ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ?
2:30, my lords. Kindly, my lords.
2:30 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. 2:30 ಮೇಡಮ್.
Lordship, of freedom fighter pension matter, it was a freedom fighter pension matter, Your Lordship. It was posted on today, 89 years old. May I request it on Saturday, Your Lordship?
Saturday ಇಲ್ಲ. Bench there.
Monday, Your Lordship.
Monday.
Please, Your Lordship.
Same, my lord. Freedom fighter pension
Monday.
is third, my lords. Monday.
Monday ಕೊಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. Give all the matters.
But sir, 2:30, my lords, sir.
Why?
My lords, FDT, my lords. So tomorrow is the last date, my lords. It's covered was.
Development tax.
Please.
Covered matter 2:30 ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು.
ಇಲ್ಲ, tomorrow is the last day. Yesterday
ಏನಕ್ಕೆ
mood.
last day?
No, so within the time is given for that pay. Otherwise, please.
2:30. Why sir is waiting?
What, 2 days?
Date given matter
ಹಾ,
has not been listed. Lordship may have it.
ಯಾವುದು?
ಆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು.
ಅದು PMLA matters.
PML.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ರಿವೈಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅದು 85 to 97 ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಹೌದಾ ಮೇಡಮ್? no, ರಿವೈಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಗ್ಲಿಚ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
Please, my lord. Your Lordship may have it on some other day.
No, we'll see, sir. We have come. We'll see. $85 to $97 ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ. ಹಾ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? ಎನಿವೇ 30th
30th month, please.
ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾವ್ದು?
ಹೌದಾ?
18668.
Anyway, let's see if
Matters are there, no?
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತು, connected matters are there. Since it's a pending matter, I cannot.
Please, my lord, 30th, my lord, because the other
30th
side,
definitely. Yes.
other side has to apply.
ಅದು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಯಾಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ? 2-3 ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಕೇಸು? ಗೆಟ್ ದಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೂಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಡಸ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್? ಕೆಲಸ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
Milords, one matter for being spoken to, Milords.
ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್?
Milords, interim order ಕೊಟ್ರು, but ಅದು ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್?
Milords, in WP 3390.
ಯಾವತ್ತು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ?
Milords, it was granted in the month of December.
ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಇಷ್ಟು ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ.
ಅದಂಗೆ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ವಿತೌಟ್ ದಟ್? ಎನಿವೆ ಮಂಡೇ
29th minutes.
It's 29th.
29th. We'll be physically present. I verified it on the YouTube. There's one more memo, Milords. One matter was tagged along with a batch of DA matters. It was not listed today along with the batch.
ಇವತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Next date, when it's adjourned, Milords, this may be tagged along, Milords.
We will see.
Yes, Milords.
Senior counsel wants to make a mention. Mr. Nawad Gi, my lords.
ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ?
One liberty, sir.
Wanted to make.
Unmute, sir.
Lords, there is
Unmute.
Bangalore
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾರು
ಇಲ್ಲ sir.
Bangalore matter, my lords.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
Please.
one
Unmute
request.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿಸೋದು.
Please.
I have one.
Not audible, sir.
Lords,
Yes.
yes.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು?
I have one request, Lordships, if kindly find it reasonable, Lord. The other day, Lordships heard that matter and reserved that between
Cooperative
myself.
society ಇದೆ.
Allah, not cooperative, Lord, the criminal petition. Bangalore bench matter.
Oh, yes.
For 482.
Development agreement.
Yes, Lord. Otherly, Lord, again they have filed one memo saying, making another allegation. Lord, I want to, if Lordships find it reasonable, clarify for about 10 minutes, Lord, any of the days next week, Lord, or Saturday, Lord, if it is convenient. 10 minutes, I just want to take, Lord.
Tuesday will post it for further hearing.
Please, I'm grateful.
ಅದೊಂದು ನೆನ್ನೆ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಫೈಲ್ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್.
Milords, one matter.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೊಡಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
Milords, one matter.
Yes.
Milords, I am requesting for a 2:30. Milords, there is some urgency in the petition. Milords, the government, my colleague. Yes.
ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರದ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಧಾರವಾಡ bench. Grateful.
Yes. Bangalore matters, I'll just finish this 36 first list matters and then call, perhaps by 11:30. First list al Dharwad ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು I'll take it 11:30. Yes. ಏನಿದು being spoken to ಯಾಕೆ?
My lord said passed an order reserving liberty to the petitioner to avail of the remedy under section
7 days.
16, 7 days. Order copy was received yesterday.
This court,
My lord, 7 days is completed, my lord. Para 4, 7 days is completed, my lord. Then, my lord, subsequent,
unreasonable objection ತೆಗಿಬಾರ್ದು.
one
Copy ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬಂದಿರೋದು? Will your appellate authority look into it without a copy from this court? Will you look into it? Objection ತೆಗಿಯೋ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ತೆಗಿಬಾರ್ದು. ಕಾಪಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಒಂದು ವಾರ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Whose mistake is it?
from today ಅಂತ ಅಂದಿದ್ರಿ
That's all right. Whose mistake? Your appellate authority will consider from today ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ, ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರ? Will you take it? Get the order copy ಅಂತಾರೆ. Unreasonable objections ತೆಗಿಬಾರ್ದು. This court on so and so had passed the following order. Liberty was reserved to the petitioner to file an appeal within 7 days from the date of passage of the order. The order copy is said to have been web hosted yesterday. Therefore, the 7-day period has come to an end. In the light of the order being uploaded with a delay of 6 days, I deem it appropriate to extend the time. ಈಗ order ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
This order I have received. Today's order, my lord,
It will be uploaded.
today. Yes.
I deem it appropriate to extend the time by another 7 days from today. All
7
other
days,
conditions will remain intact.
7 days badli 10 days ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. For this reason,
10 days from today.
there is some confusion as to before whom the appeal. I have requested my learned friend for the government.
Who is your appellate authority?
ಅಲ್ಲ, our government.
Government.
My lord, according to rule 29, it is before the head of the department is if the tender is issued by subordinates. But I was given to understand that, my lord, it is delegated to the JRCS. We went to JRCS. He says, I don't have any authority to take this appeal. He said, if you are challenging resolution, you go to ARCS. So I have been running from pillar to post. So my friend, my lord, have requested,
Who?
government advocate, through his channel, if he, my lord, conveys that before whom I have to prefer the appeal.
Your then role?
Our society, our then role ಇಲ್ಲ. Our society.
called meeting. Tender was issued by
Society is the NIT.
ಏನ್ ನಾನು ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನ?
Please.
ಅಪೀಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಂತ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ?
Okay, my friend for the government, my lord, okay, I have requested. This order may be released today.
ಇದು ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಘೋಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಿ.
Please.
ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ.
That is the certified copy I have passed on, my lord. Sir, I'll place on record a photocopy. Please.
ಪ್ರವಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
I am deeply obliged.
ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Please.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಒಂದು ವಾರಕ್ಕೆ ತಾನೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಶಿವರಾಜ್ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಯಾಕೆ?
ಸಾರಿ my lord, ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ನಂದು ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಇವತ್ತು ಅವ್ರು ಕಂಬ ಹತ್ತಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಜನರಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ದೇವ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ
ಯಾರು ತೊಂದರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ನಿಲ್ಸಕ್ ಹೇಳಿದಿನ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ? ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಏನ್ ನಿಲ್ಸಕ್ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ.
No, I am not-
ಅಪೀಲ್ ಹಾಕಕ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಅದೇ
ಕಾಪಿ 6 ದಿನ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಸಾರಿ my lord, ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಅದು
ಇಲ್ಲ, there
7
was
days
an
ಆದ
interim
ನಂತರ
order that was
ದೇವ್
extended.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದ್ರ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಐ ಮೇಡ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್.
Nobody is stopping it.
There is an interim order.
There is
There is an
interim
interim
order
order that has been extended
interim order ಇದೆ.
till, my lord, he considers the
Now
appeal.
he is sitting on the pole.
Till considers the appeal. Till
7
the
days
date, till the date on which.
Yeah, my lord, so clearly observed, subject to the.
Till disposal ಅಂದ್ರೆ then we will suffer.
Till disposal
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಅಲ್ಲ.
subject to the ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದಿರ.
I deem it appropriate to continue the same, make it subject matter
Yes,
of
yes.
decision of the appellate authority that will be filed, and if filed,
Yes.
it is made clear. Oh, he will take, immediately he will take a
Yes,
decision. Then.
Yes, yes. No, that's what we are in fact
Not
requesting.
sufficient.
Don't take 10 days, 7 days only. He is right in objecting.
Let appellate authority pass an interim order. Therefore, till then, my lord,
No, we both understand that it is till then only.
The learned counsel for the respondent at this juncture submits that since the interim order is operating, the extension should not be granted. Therefore, I deem it appropriate to permit 7 more days from today to file an appeal. And before the appellate authority, it is for the appellate authority to consider granting an interim order or otherwise. The subject interim order will be operational till the filing of the appeal.
Please.
Till the consideration,
Yes.
till the consideration of any application seeking interim order before the appellate authority.
Please.
This order shall be read as part and parcel of the order that is disposed on 15th January.
Much obliged.
Then you are right. I am sorry.
No,
That's all right. Yes.
Please.
Cell number 2, Sirajuddin Ahmed.
ಅದು there is a Mullah, sir.
Sirajuddin, 7 years ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. You have completed only 2 years and 6 months.
No, my lords,
2 years.
already I have produced the certificate, my lords. On submission also I have made 3 years, my
Young
lords.
Sharad, what is all this? ನೀವೇ 2 years 6 months ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಸ್
3 years.
Prison certificate ಕೊಡಿ.
Prison certificate at annexure B, page number 20, my lords.
3 years 16, 3 years ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅದು ರೆಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿ
ಹಾ?
Yes, my lord.
ಮತ್ತೆ
7
why
years,
come to
7
your
years
petition?
ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Paragraph, first paragraph. Punishable with 7 years ಅದು. Not-
Punishable.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇದು?
ಅದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ 2 ದಲ್ಲಿ 7 years ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತ
Para?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಡರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ
Order ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. Order ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್, you said petition ಲೂ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರಿ.
7 years ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಸಿರಾಜುದ್ದೀನ್ 7 years ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಿರಾ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ?
No, my lords, in para 3, my lords, the wife of the petitioner, no, Dharwad since 3 years. Have filed.
Yes. ಅದು ಸೇಮ್
I have
ಆರ್ಡರ್
not
ಮಾಡಿ.
submitted 7 years.
To become operational from tomorrow ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿ. The matter was disposed on 17 January 2025. In the second paragraph, it was observed that the petitioner has been in prison for more than 7 years. This appears to be a typographical error in the light of the fact that the petitioner has produced the prison certificate which depicts that he has been in prison for the last 3 years and 6 days. In that light, the second paragraph shall be corrected to the effect that he is now in prison for more than 3 years in place of 7 years.
ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಪರೋಲ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು.
Second time ಆಯ್ತು?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್
Released on ಇದು first time parole.
ಹೌದು.
And in third paragraph, it is indicated that the petitioner, husband of the petitioner, was earlier released on parole. The learned AGA would now clarify that it is the first time that he is seeking parole. In that light, the said paragraph also be read as the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that he has not availed the benefit of parole and is for the first time he is availing the said benefit.
ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾದಲ್ಲಿ
ಮತ್ತೆ
ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ 7 years ರಿಲೀಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಒಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ.
ಈ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. At paragraph 5, the same error has crept in with regard to the 7 years being, our dictate ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ?
ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ.
ಇವ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಕೆಲಸನಾ? ಯಾರ್ದು ಇದು? ವಿಶಾಲ್. Yes, in the fifth paragraph, the error has crept in. Both these errors have crept in. Therefore, the same needs to be corrected with deletion of the words 7 years and printing the words 3 years. And the fact that the petitioner is seeking parole for the first time and not the second time. The subject order shall be read as part and parcel of the original order. And the parole would become operational from Naledhaki, tomorrow, from 23rd.
Please.
Yes.
Oblige.
Number 3, Harshvardhana M. Patil. Yes, Doctor.
Lord, seeking compassionate appointment. Lord, father of the petitioner was working as the lineman in the respondent company.
Yes.
Lord,
Yes, challenging the varies of the rules, my lord.
Correct. Adike, you file your objections.
Objections.
The learned counsel for the respondent seeks 2 weeks' time to file statement of objections. List the matter on 11th in the fresh matters list. Objections, if any, by then next.
Please.
Number 4, SM Kalwad Girish's Holmani.
My lord, I praise a short accommodation, my lord. to
Excess
comply
amount
officer.
refund. Surface it.
It will be considered. Already auction has taken place. Sale
You have
certificate is.
received more money than what the loan was.
My lords, it was auction more my lords for rupees 35 lakh.
What was the loan amount?
30 lakhs, my lords.
Matte?
It will be
Refunded.
considered and if excess, if any, will be refunded.
The property is sold on 61,62,925.
Property sold at
61,62,925 rupees.
55
my lord.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ?
Lords, property is sold for
Loan
rupees.
ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು?
Loan amount is 30,000 for recovery of the loan amount initiated under section 14 of the surface area act 30
lakhs.
30 lakhs 80,437 my lord.
31 lakhs excess ಬಂದಿದೆ.
35 lakhs it is sold, my lords, 35 lakhs.
ಮತ್ತೆ 61 lakhs ಅಂತ.
My lords,
Already-
it was the
Where is the sale certificate?
sale certificate, my lords, I may be
Produce everything. The petition is preferred for the purpose of refund of excess amount over and above the loan amount that was to be paid by the petitioner in a sale that has taken place of the said property. Therefore, the respondent to place on record the amount at which the property is sold and the loan that was to be paid by the petitioner by the next date of hearing. List on 30th in the fresh matters list.
please, my lords.
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕು?
Please.
Please, sir.
Seal number 5, SR Hegde, NB Kanvi.
For a week's time, my lord, I have sent for affidavit. Document ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಕ್ಯಾಂಟೀನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು? 3 ವರ್ಷ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು.
3 ವರ್ಷ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ 5 ವರ್ಷ.
ಎಕ್ಸ್-ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ಮೆನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. How can they discriminate the ex-servicemen?
18 months.
ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ಮೆನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರಾ?
ಹೌದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ 18 months ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ I have received.
Did you give him that status?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದು
As per rules itself they say, my lord. They have to give
I have
ex-servicemen
received the
status.
documents.
ಸರಿ.
Affidavit ಬರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ.
Learned senior CGSC MB Kanvi seeks a week's time to file statement of objections. List the matter on 30th in the fresh matters.
Much obliged.
Seal number 6, Shivraj S. Balluri.
31st ಮಾಡಿ. 31st.
Case of regularization, I fulfill.
ಮಾಡೋದು division bench said consider in terms of Umadevi. By then Umadevi was there.
Please, my
You had completed only 2 years.
No, my lords, I have completed 10 years.
ಯಾವತ್ come to
Lords,
your
I've
synopsis.
joined the service on 5/5/1995.
This is why you should not
Please.
shoddy synopsis ಹಾಕ್ಬಾರ್ದು. Come to page 1.
Please, my lords.
When did you join ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
5/5/1995. my
Where
lords.
is it?
That is, my lords, in their
Where, sir, come to your synopsis.
synopsis.
Where is it?
Synopsis alila, in their endorsement itself it is there.
Where, should I go to that or your synopsis? What is the synopsis for?
Please, my lords, for ready reference.
ಮತ್ತೆ? Then why you say nil, he started joined, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಅಂತ? If you
5.
knew it, type it, sir.
My apologies, my lords, for that.
By the date of Umadevi, you had completed 10 years.
10 years, my lords.
Allow ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ?
If it is according to the Umadevi.
No, according to Umadevi, those days are over. He had completed 10 years even before Umadevi. In terms of para 48 and 53 of Umadevi itself, you have to consider.
Yes.
Yes.
As per their endorsement itself, says that, my lords, I have joined on 5/5/1995.
Page.
Page, my lords, please.
ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಫೈಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್.
Annexure A, my lords.
Page.
Annexure A, page number 13. 13.
ದಿನಗೂಲಿ
ಸೇರಿದ
ಸೇವೆಗೆ ದಿನಾಂಕ.
ದಿನಾಂಕ 5/5/95.
Just on Monday at 4:30 PM to dictate orders.
Please.
I'll
Apologies,
pass
I'll-
a detailed
I'll-
order with, so that this gets covered to all regularization cases.
I'll file a proper synopsis also, my lords. My
7,
apologies.
ZM Hattarki.
Shivraj should not do all this.
My apologies.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಂಗ್ರಾಮ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಬರ್ಲಿ. Yes.
Obliged.
List on 17th.
Please.
Objections, if any, by the next date, interim order subsisting will continue till the next date of hearing.
Seal
Yes,
number 8,
next,
Chandrasekhar
17th
S.
February.
Nagsheti.
Madam is directing the respondent number 4 to issue.
Where is
transfer
Sangram Kulkarni? ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ?
I filed vocal behalf of.
Maybe, when do you give the documents to her?
My lord, the notice issued to the.
For what purpose? Fees ಕಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
Scholarship ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Scholarship?
ಹೌದು, ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇದು, ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇದು.
ಗೊತ್ತು.
ಏನು ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು?
ರಿಫಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್?
ಹೌದು.
ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ? Because she has completed 7th standard in your institute.
ಅದು PUC ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Now she
ಮಿಡಲ್
has,
ಇದಾದ್ರೆ
petitioner has studied 6th to 10th standard, my lord. Now she has taken a PUC first year at North Hills College.
In a different college.
We have ready to pay refund whatever the
Pudi,
scholarship.
whatever.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು
For
No, ಮತ್ತೆ I will not drag you here.
ಅದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್
ಈಗ I'll post it on, now you know what is to be done?
Yes, because exams have come, my lord. They have not permitting to sit, if the TC is not transferred there.
Correct, sir. ಅವ್ರೇನ್ refund ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ? ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Within 4 weeks, man.
Within
4 weeks.
Then ಅವಾಗ್ಲೇ ಕೊಡೋದು ಅವ್ರನ್ನು.
ಅದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಬೇರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಕೇಸ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಕೊಡ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಮೌಂಟ್.
ಕೊಡಿ, I will direct within 1 hour of your giving to be given.
At least 2 weeks, my lord. They are the farmers.
I will post it after 2 weeks, no problem. Subject to that ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಯಾರು ಹೊರಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು?
ಒಂದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Give it, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು?
ಟೋಟಲ್ 2,26,900. 2,26,900.
ಅಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರೀಗ?
ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Scholarship for what purpose?
Education purpose, government has given scholarship, my lord.
For education till what? 1 to 10th?
6 to PUC second year.
No, first 10th standard.
6 to 10th ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Please.
ಈಗ ಓದಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, PUC ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ as per the term and condition.
ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಟರ್ಮ್?
ಬೇರೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ನೀವು
15 15A ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 15A ಮೇಲೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಟೇಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡು
ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 12th.
PUC ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು?
Yes, sir. List the matter on 12th February in the fresh matters.
Have it on Monday, my lord. We'll consider, because they will not permit to.
List the matter on 27th at the request of the council appearing for the petitioner. Monday is 27th. ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟ 1 hour ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು.
Number 9, Sirajuddin Ahmed.
Our
वकालत में भी
Registry to print ಯಾರ್ದು?
K. Anand Kumar and B. Anand Shetty.
So and so, registry to print the name of so and so in place of J. N. Kademani and M. N. Hiremat. Next. Sorry. For R1 to R5. Next matter.
Please.
Next.
Number 9.
Parole.
Yes, my lords.
Application ಹಾಕಿಲ್ವಂತಲ್ಲ ಸಿರಾಜುದ್ದೀನ್?
Yes, my lords. Inquiry, my lords. ನಾನೇ ಇನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕ್ಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ, my lords.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇದೀರಾ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಇಲ್ಲವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. And in this case, my lords, there is a case registered for escape of parole.
Then yes, list the matter on Tuesday in the fresh matters list. Mic use ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. Yes.
Number 10, Sirajuddin Ahmed.
It will feel like you're whispering into my ears. Yes.
Lords, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿನೂ they have not filed application still yesterday, my lords.
Tuesday, yes.
My lords, I have application in, I have received the application, my lords, but it has not been accepted.
Get the police report in all these cases.
Please.
Right?
My lords, direction may be given to the prison authorities, my lords, they will submit, they will directly forward the.
All these cases common order ಮಾಡಿ. The learned AGA is directed to accept notice for the respondent state and secure the details of application so filed by the petitioners, as also a police report with regard to grant of parole. On up to 14, list the matter on Tuesday.
14 maybe, my lords, already there is.
List the matter on Tuesday, yes.
Please.
Number 15, Sunita Pikalsur.
Obliged.
Learned AGA. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರಿದು?
All the respondents.
Learned AGA is directed to accept notice for the respondents. List the matter on 13th February.
Your lordships, they are having likely to be discontinued in their services.
Likely when?
Please, your lordships.
Who knows likely when?
They are threatening them day to day. We are telling them, give it in writing, then we'll stop working. And past 6 months, they have not given my salary also.
The petitioners service of the petitioners, if not dispensed, shall not be dispensed or replaced by the next date of, till the next date of hearing. List on 12th February. Fresh matters list. Next.
One submission, my lords.
Yes,
One
Sir
submission,
Rajajan.
my lords.
Hmm.
My lords, today morning I moved one memo, my lords. It's emergency peril, Sheikh Noor Ahmad. It may be listed tomorrow, my lords. There is a
Aito,
marriage, my
tomorrow.
lords.
Ad nale hakim.
Sheikh Noor Ahmad.
It will come tomorrow. Yes.
Oblige, my
16,
lords.
Shastra
Lords, the counsel representing the husband has refused to accept notice.
File an affidavit.
Lords, I'll be
The
filing a
learned
memo.
counsel submits that the husband has refused to
Lord.
accept the notice and has files an affidavit to that effect.
My lords,
Registry to
that's a memo, not an affidavit.
files a memo on my affidavit. The
Notice may be
registry to
issued.
print the name of who has refused to accept.
The
Advocate.
counsel for the husband before the trial
Counsel
court.
for the husband is said to have refused acceptance of notice. Therefore, emergent notice to the respondent.
Lords, I may be permitted to take hand summons on the husband.
All right. Therefore, the respondent husband be served by way of hand summons. This the matter on 31st. Fresh matters list. Next.
Cell number 17, Sadiq and Budwala.
New and formal ಅಲ್ಲ.
Respondent file, ತಾಲೂಕು ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಲಕ್ಷ.
Lord, notification was.
May I get instructions, Lord? Yesterday filed the Wakalat, Lord.
Learned counsel for the respondent submits that he has entered appearance only yesterday and would seek time to file statement of objections. List the matter on 11th February. Interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing.
3 and 4 onwards, Jilla Panchayat and
ಯಾರು ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ?
Same. I appear, Lord.
Registry to print the name of
3 and 4.
ನೀವು ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸರ್?
3 and 4, Lord.
already
Respondent so and so 3 and 4. 5, 6?
5 is not, sir.
5 ಗೆ ನಾನೇ ಇದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
5 already has filed power.
ಹಾಕಿದಾರಾ?
Please, Lord.
6?
6 government, Lord. PW department.
Learned AGA for the 6th respondent. Yes.
Please, Lord.
18, Deepak Magno.
Actually, seeking writ of mandamus, my lord.
For what, sir?
Writ of mandamus, my lord.
Indirect surfacey proceedings you are challenging?
No, my lord.
Then what, sir?
I am the wife, my lord. My husband
I
has
know.
availed the loan.
Yes.
And since our relations are sore, my lord, and mischievously he is trying to ouster me from the property, my lord.
How a writ would be maintainable now?
My lord,
What are you challenging here?
So I'm not challenging, my lord. I'm given the representation asking the bank to attach the other properties of the husband.
Which bank, sir?
Maharashtra Bank, respondent number 3 and 4.
Who appears for that?
Penal advocate.
Huh?
Penal advocate.
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? Bank of Maharashtra.
Yes, my lord.
ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ panel counsel? The petitioner is directed to serve on any panel counsel representing respondents 3 and 4. List the matter on Tuesday in the fresh matters list. ಇವತ್ತೇ ಮಾಡಿ, sir.
Emergent notice also. I'm
ಯಾರಿಗೆ
permitted
emergent
to buy hand summons also to the party.
To whom?
To the bank, my lord. Because the auction is on 28th.
Panel counsel ಬೇಡವಾ?
Well, I'll try to find my
In
lord.
the event no panel counsel, there is no panel counsel, the respondent 3 and 4 be served by way of hand summons and an acknowledgement to that effect be filed. List the matter on Wednesday in the fresh. 28th.
28th is the auction.
List the matter on Monday in the fresh matter. 27th in the fresh matters.
Please, my lord.
19, Sangram S. Kulkarni.
No representation. List on 13th. List on 13th February.
Since
For 20, PG Mowgli.
since 1935, the family of the petitioner has been working as a value
Appointment of the 6th respondent.
second respondent.
Second respondent to the post of Walikar shall remain subject to the result of the petition in the light of the fact that he has already been appointed on 10/10/2024. 1 AGA, 2 emergent notice. Next. Ad mail ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು order ಮಾಡಿ. Next.
21, Kishan GS.
No representation. List on 12th, sorry, list on Wednesday. Okay, next. 29th in the fresh matters list. Next.
22, Avinash Mali Patil.
My lord, in this matter,
Whose gold is this? Whose gold?
My lord, this is only an
Take
allegation.
orders and walk away. Those people come in behind my back, orders are passed and ashte. Whose gold is this pledged?
My lord, I will
I'm
make.
not closing it by by passing similar orders.
No, my lord, I'm on another point, my lord.
What prayer, sir?
My lord, am I permitted to pass one citation, my lord?
No. First tell me what's your prayer, then we'll go to the citation.
My lord, in
Facts
this,
smell bunny first.
we are only seeking that
What?
it should not be seized as of now.
No,
But
sir.
let them conclude the investigation.
I will not stall the hands of the investigating agency by any way.
But for that reason, my lord, my rights under 173 to 178 I asked also
No
to see.
problem. You can ask the concerned court if you want.
My lord, only one submission. This is my submission. My lords, may kindly hear me for a minute.
Yes, sir.
My lords, in this matter, the 8 learned judges of this honorable court has taken a view that at the time of investigation need not be seized. Let it be with the bank. Let not be alienated.
I am asking, whose gold is that? What is seized?
Solely an allegation.
What is in your possession? Whose gold is that?
My lord, at the time of
Who
accepting
is the complainant here?
complainant, my lord, it required, my
Who
lord.
is the complainant?
But I am not even aware who is the complainant. I have received at a notice, my lord, it's an answer D, and asking us to produce it. When we had given the entire details. In page number
Who is
20.
the complainant? Yes, AGA.
Similarly situated cases, my lord, the view has been.
ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಸಿಚುಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು
ಮಾಡಿ ಆಗಿರೋದು
ಇಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯೂ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ dismiss, my lord. I am also on that point only. Dismiss, my lord.
Yes, sir.
Please, madam.
I will follow this and dismiss
no,
it.
Please hand over my
no problem. I will distinguish everything. Give it.
My lord, the only my submission is, my lords, may kindly see section 7 of Karnataka High Court Act. It says that, my lord, there are different view. It need to refer to the larger bench. Then, my lords, may kindly see, my lord, page number.
That also, sir. I'll dismiss it. You can take it to the apex court.
My lords, the only my lords, may kindly hear me for a minute. Then, my lord, in Union Territory of Ladakh, page number 35, my lords, para 26.
Page
number 26.
We will hear you on 30th. Yes. List the matter on 30th. Learned AGA is directed to accept notice for the respondent, secure instructions, and make his submissions.
In fresh matters, my lords.
Sorry?
In fresh matters.
Oh, freshest.
My lords, the only issue is that, my lord, my only submission is that I am not seeking for any order.
No problem.
The matter need to be referred to larger bench and the issue
I will
need to be
not do
settled.
that, sir. You can take it to the apex court. I will follow the other order, which is detailed, and dismiss it.
But if that case, my lords, I follow it, my lord, I will.
Come on 30th.
The only issue is, I mean, the matter need to be settled. There are many cases where even 498 cases have been registered.
This is the problem. If we are all following a particular order without looking into the facts and straight away passing
Absolutely, my lord,
orders in favor of this Muthoot, all these people, whose gold is pledged? Where is the complainant? They have to see who is the complainant. Without hearing the complainant, we straight away say gold should be returned to you.
Only I am seeking for some guidelines, my lord, some direction. How it should be ascertained, on what cases, on what grounds it has to be removed. All those has to be considered, my lord. It cannot be, my lord, it cannot be, this order cannot be followed in favor of us in all the cases. I totally agree. But at the same time, my lord, it need to be followed in certain cases in favor of us. There are cases where, my lord, the father is filed complaint against his son. In a 2 crore loan has been pledged. In that case,
all those matters are cases of investigation. We will not permit.
At the time of investigation, my lords, the gold pledged by son is being removed and handed over to the father without a single rupee being paid.
That is why make the complainant a party. We will hear all of them and pass orders. Without the complainant, I am not going to pass any order in cases of Muthoot Finance. Because there are so many cases filed back saying, without hearing me, gold is taken away. No, will not do that.
In that case, my lord, we are also not heard before by the learned magistrate in many cases.
That we'll see.
Many cases, my lord, under 451.
If that is the case,
452.
Sir, if that is the case, we will set things right. But following a particular order and closing the petition, I will not do.
Today, my lord, I am not on that ground. It need to be some guidelines need to be followed, framed and need to be settled, my lord. Once and for all, my lord. That is only my submission.
That's no problem.
It cannot be continued like this. I totally agree, my lord. In case of, if it is chain snatching case, definitely it need to be recovered and handed over to the complainant, de facto complainant.
In a chain snatching case, it's a different thing.
Differently, my lord.
In other things where gold is pledged, it operates on a different circumstance.
It is a
Complainant has to be heard,
case.
or something is stolen, 379 cases registered, it is there with you. Straight away give it off without and saying that it will be in your custody as and when investigation.
There is a case pending, my lord. One father has been filed a case against his son.
You may have one stray case like that, sir. but I will not follow it. We'll lay down guidelines, yes.
That is only my submission, my lord. Some
Yeah.
guidelines need to be framed.
Yes, yes.
I'm not on particular this fact of the case. Something need to
We'll
be
see.
settled, my lords.
Yes.
That is the only issue.
Jagdish sir, we may require your assistance in that. Because I am not going to follow case and close it.
They come up and say that they have not been heard.
And that's the problem. If a complainant says they have not been heard, Adike, we'll see which crime is this. Yeah, no, who is the complainant? I'm going to hear everybody and pass out.
But I'm not on facts of this case, my lord. Generally, some guidelines need to be
I
framed.
will definitely, you also should be heard, complainant also should be heard. Courts cannot pass orders without hearing anybody.
Yes, my lord. Maybe on
Yakandre all
230.
these, you ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ orders ಎಲ್ಲ.
Yes, my lord.
Coordinate benches, even mine.
Yes, my lord.
Even my orders.
First order has
I only followed coordinate bench orders.
First order has been passed by Justice, His Lordship Justice Mohan Chandagoda in
That's all right.
2013.
From then, it is happening. What is happening is straight away, we're following that and closing it. This has resulted in the complainants not being heard, another petition filed by complainants, recalling those orders. Why multiplicity? We'll hear everybody and
Yes,
do
my
it.
lords.
Yes.
I will implement. In the meantime, I will find out and implement the de facto
If you
complaint.
had found out and implemented de facto complaint, things were fine.
I will implement it, my lord. Maybe at 2:30, my lords. It may be.
2:30?
It may be settled, my lord, because my lord, lot of matters are coming. My lords.
Today I will not settle it.
No,
Let
my
the
lord.
complainant come.
On 30th, my lord.
30th, yes.
2:30, my lords.
You wanted 2:30. That we'll
30th.
see you come. Yes.
On 30th, my lords.
30th, I'll take it. Come.
2:30, my lords. Maybe.
Come on 30th, sir.
Maybe in fresh matters, my lords. Otherwise, my
You
lord,
come
please.
on 30th, sir. Don't worry. Yes.
Grateful, my lords.
Till number 23, Prashant Matpati, Shivraj P. Murwa.
Matters, my lord, we have moved. For the reason, last occasion, lordships directed not to precipitate. It has not come in the order, my lord. That's why yesterday we have moved. It's a
Just on. We'll take it on 28th. Don't precipitate till then.
similar matters are listed on 12/2, my lord, before your
No,
lordships.
no. We'll take this on 28th.
Please.
List on 28th. The respondents are restrained. Collection of fees.
Yes,
Again,
yes,
not
yes.
one submission. Share collections, my lord, they have filed a writ petition. This honorable court remanded the matter, hear him and pass an order.
Correct.
After remand, my lord, the authority granted.
Who had filed that petition?
Please, my lord.
Who had filed the petition?
My lord, chairman, petitioner hearing, the chairman filed a writ petition.
That is
After
why-
hearing, my lord, the authority passed an order.
So it is correct, Antana? After hearing, if the authority has passed.
Then
an order,
appellate
it is
authority,
presumed-
not appeal has to be filed under section 106, my lord.
That we'll
Appellate,
see.
appellate
Yes,
authority.
that I will see. 28th in the fresh matters list. Till such time, respondents are restrained from precipitating the matter. Next.
24, Prashant Matpati, Anil Kale.
Same, similar one.
Same, yes.
25, Edward Noah. 25,
Emergent notice to the respondents. Next.
26, MC Hokeri.
Preparing for the petitioner.
64 inquiry.
64 inquiry. My lord, without,
Can I stay 64 inquiry, sir?
my lord, without looking into the audit report. My lord, audit report is in favor of the, my lord, petitioner.
Oh, that's all right.
My lord, he is clearly stated in
No,
his,
sir, I will not stall any 64 inquiry.
my lord, 64
The
inquiry.
appropriation of funds of huge sum is alleged against you, 64 inquiry is going on, audit report nodilla andre?
No, my lord,
No,
the lordship may kindly see the, my lord, annexure A, my lord, loans, my lord, refunded by the, my lord, person who has obtained the loan.
One, sir, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮೈಕ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬನ್ನಿ ನೀವು. One cooperative development officer ನೀವೇನಾ?
Please, my lord.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ.
ನೀವೇ ಅಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ? ಇವರೇನಾ? Learned AGA is directed to accept notice for all the respondents, look into the papers and make his submissions. 1st February in the fresh matters.
One submission, my lord.
No, I'm not saying 64 inquiries.
My lord, 64 inquiry itself is not maintainable.
That we'll
Because,
see.
my lord,
We'll see, sir. Yes.
27, DP Kariga.
Huge sums of misappropriation will not stay there. Yes.
my lord, no misappropriation took place, my lord, that's
No,
one.
first, yes.
Please, my lords.
31,
Yeah, 27, my lords.
27.
My lords,
Sir.
please, the petitioners have availed a loan from the respondent
What have
bank.
you challenged, sir?
I have challenged the impugned order.
What is the amount in due?
24 lakhs, my
Where
lords.
do I get that?
24 lakhs, my lord. 29 lakhs it is availed. 24 lakhs is outstanding, my lords.
The
Petitioner is before this court calling in question an order of the learned magistrate under section 14 of the surface. In terms of the order, the amount in due is 23,87,761. Therefore, further proceedings shall remain state subject to the condition that the petitioner would deposit
5 lakhs, my lord, so within 4 weeks.
5 lakhs within 4 weeks.
And
List
still,
the matter after 4 weeks.
till then,
Stay quoted.
oblige, my lord.
28, Dattatreya Timmanna.
5 lakhs within 4 weeks. 4 weeks put on date.
Writ of mandamus. Petitioner is preventing to fishing activities by the respondent number 4 and 5.
We'll see.
So,
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ lords, I have inquired with
I'm
the
not
lords.
disposing it.
Alla.
Secure instruction.
Please.
Learned AGA is directed to accept notice for respondent 1, 2, 3. Emergent notice to 4 and 5. Returnable by the 11th of February. List on 11th in the fresh matters list.
29, Mrityunjay Salikeri.
Release of grant salary.
Yes, my lord.
Kottila yake?
My lord, they have transferred, my lord, a staff of some of the college which has turned into a university. And they are imposing those staffs on the present petitioner college.
Learned AGA is directed to accept notice for all the respondents. Secure instructions and interim prayer lingagar.
Please, my lord.
Interim prayer, main prayer one day.
But so far as this second prayer, my lord, if interim prayer is passed, my lord, I will not press this. Because from past 3-4 months, my lord, no salary is paid to my staff.
The learned AGA to secure instructions as to why for the last 4 months, the salary to the staff of the institution is allegedly not paid by the state. If it is correct that salary for the last 4 months is not paid, interest and costs of it would be recovered from the pocket of the officers who have not paid, pocket of the officers who have indulged in non-payment of salary. Next, yes, list the matter on 1st February in the fresh matters list. Next.
Bill number 30, Ravi Hegde.
Please, interest on belated payment of leave encashment benefit.
30.
Covered by judgment.
How covered by interest?
Yes. Coordinate bench has granted 9% interest.
That's all right.
Please.
ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ದೆ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ ಸರ್? ಇಲ್ಲ. Learned counsel Prashant Usmani is directed to accept notice for the respondent petitioner to serve set of papers upon the aforesaid counsel. Yes, next. List the matter on 10th February in the fresh matters list.
31, Shivraj P. Madhwa.
30?
oh, here for the petitioner. Lord, the identical matter, my lord, Annexure D, conditions.
Condition of tender, where will I interfere?
Annexure D, page 64, my lord.
See, tender cannot be or tailor-made to what you want. The conditions of tender, how will I interfere?
Coordinate bench.
Coordinate
bench granted interim order.
Lords, the
Not
yesterday's matter, lords.
Principal bench as well as this honorable.
Yesterday's matter, lords, that judgment of lords, lordship Suresh Govindaraj. There, lords, this point has been considered.
Conditions of tender, judicial review,
25.
no, sir. We cannot accept the fact that you want a tender to suit your capacity. ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದೇನು 1 year you have done these food materials. What is prescribed is 3 preceding years. So you don't want that.
My lord, my humble prayer is, my lord, page 64 Annexure D.
Condition is unreasonable, so arbitrary. Definitely we will interfere. Now, then, just because you are ousted, you have no experience of doing it for 3 years.
Experience, my lord, the quantity of supply is, my lord,
Quantity of supply, you don't have it for 3 years. You have it for 1 year.
Identical matter, two, my lord, put Annexure D and this one, principal bench.
Justice Suresh Govind, Shakti Dal Mills.
Yesterday, my case also, my lord, I made a submission that Gulbarga bench followed by, but here, 2 cases. Interim prayer, my lord, permitting the authority to accept.
Why do you let this work out? You don't bring it to the notice of the coordinate benches?
Not
And this court, my lord.
How can we interfere with conditions of tender unless it is arbitrary? Sir?
That is true, my lord. Principle.
Very well settled principle of law and too rudimentary to tell that.
Well, may kindly peruse this, not interim order.
Ville ಹಾಕಿದಿರಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. Several cases have been noted. Principal bench ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Following this, the principal bench judgment, not interim order was passed. Same identical notice. Parity, my lord.
Suresh Govindaraj order.
Please.
List the matter on Tuesday in the fresh matters list. The learned counsel submits that the principal bench as well as the coordinate bench have granted an interim order of stay in identical circumstances. In the light of the said submission, till the next date, there shall be an interim order of stay.
Still, permitting to.
Stay as prayed for. Next.
Till number 32, Sridhar Prabhu.
As prayed for. Even ಕೇಳಿದಿರ?
Please.
30.
My lord, similarly connected matters, interim order is granted, my lord,
Where?
by this honorable court. Can I please?
Madam, you have challenged the wires of a
Yes,
legislation, and where is the
interim
question
order.
of interim order in that? What is it?
Annexure C, we are seeking to stay, my lord. Revised charges, cross subsidiary charges, we are seeking to stay, my lord, at Annexure C, my lord.
Tag this petition along with so and so. The learned counsel submits, interim orders are granted by coordinate benches in identical circumstances. There shall be an interim order of stay, as is granted in the other cases. Yes, next.
Please,
Ready,
sir.
Abhay?
Maybe tag to serial number 30.
Same, 31, 30.
30.
34, Shivraj P. Balloli.
Covered,
Shivraj is Balloli.
ಇಲ್ಲ my lord, seeking your lordship's indulgence, my lords, for a fair and my lord, transparent process of counting votes. There are 78 booths.
ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. They are not counting at the 78 booths.
ಮತ್ತೆ
as per the ಏನು ಮಾಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವರು.
ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
ಅಲ್ಲ, as per the ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅವರು. But what the allegation is not correct.
Learned AG on instructions would submit that the votes would be counted under one roof and not under different
roof,
as is alleged. As the allegation is, counting of votes is happening in each booth.
That is not.
Each booth. If that be so, it is blatantly contrary to law. In the light of the submission, the learned AGA, that counting would be done under one roof. The list this matter. ಯಾವತ್ತಿದೆ the counting?
Well, its counting date is not
given.
List the matter on
pending. ಅದು main matter pending ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ counting ಇದು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. To kept in.
List the matter on 12th.
Please. Oblige, most grateful.
35, Suresh S. Bhatt.
I appear is a case where my lord, contrary to earlier order of this court.
But objections are required by the state here.
My lord, only deputation is concerned. I am not saying creation. Because this court said, not on an earlier occasion, not to depute public prosecutors because a special public.
Correct. In POCSO cases, special public prosecutor should be there.
We are all, my lord, working now for the last 9 years. We have to participate in the selection. If they take, not due process of law, they select.
The learned senior counsel MS Bhagwat appearing for the petitioner. The learned AGA is directed to accept notice for the respondents, secure instructions and make his submissions. List the matter on 14th February in the fresh matters list. Till such time, there shall be an interim order of stay as prayed for. Next.
36, Shivraj P. Mudho.
Fourth respondent, my lord, filed a complaint for.
31. ಏನು complaint?
No,
ಅದಲ್ಲ.
No, it is not tender, my lord. This is, my lord, the disqualification proceedings initiated by the fourth respondent, my lord, alleging that, my lord, he is a defaulter. My lord, the page 21, my lord, the bank says that I am the regular, my loan is, my lord, a regular. Therefore, a question of initiating proceedings under section
2 AGA, 3 and 4 emergent notice returnable by 11th. There shall be an interim order of stay as prayed for to the next date.
Much better.
Next. Why is Naidu sir waiting? Why is Naidu sir waiting? Which matter, sir?
I have a small request. Let's item 59 Bangalore matter. But this time, my trip has become a comedy of errors.